Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Butte, Montana Historic City Center. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. This motel in Montana is a 5-minute walk from the Old Butte Historical Tours walking tour. Free Wi-Fi is available at the motel. A cable TV is offered in every room at the Motel 6-Butte Historic City Center. Suites provide a kitchenette and a living area with sofa bed. Laundry facilities are also available for added convenience. Our Lady of the Rockies is 3 miles from the Motel 6-Butte Historic City Center. The Montana Folk Festival is held in Butte and guests are 2 blocks from 2 of the stages. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.